I don't know where I will be at the end of this year, but I know how I want to live this. Hello everyone, this is day 4 of Real Life English series. And today in this video, I'm going to do something which I've never done before. I want to make my vision board for this year 2026. I haven't done it before and I've seen a lot of people are doing it. So that's why I wanted to give it a try. I'm just doing it because I'm very comfortable sharing my thoughts on my channel. And I feel like this channel is not only about my English, but it is a kind of documentary of my growth and learning, and that's why I want to make this video so that in the future I can come back, watch this video and see where I was and where I've reached. So yes, this video is going to be about my 2026 vision board. This vision board is not about big achievements, it is about working on myself. Yes, you heard it right. In 2026 I don't want to compete with anyone, I don't want to compare myself with others, I just want to be better than my earlier self. In this year, I don't want to be impulsive. I don't want results immediately. I want to focus more on my work than the outcomes. My vision board for this year is very simple. I want to work on my mindset, on my discipline, my consistency, and my patience. I want to show up every day and I want to do what I can. And honestly, I'm making this vision board so that in the future I can come and watch this video and ask myself that did I learn the way I wanted to learn? Did I grow the way I wanted to grow? And did I stay true to myself? So yes, this is my vision board for 2026, and please let me know what are your promises to yourself for this new year, and I would love to know from your side as well. And thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. See you in the next video.